This is system test 7. Got the PSU6006 as usual. Right here I have my Fire-Lite BG-8 pull station. Up here I have my Kidde Genesis, or new EST Genesis, whatever you want to call it. And this is on code 3 low volume 30 candela. Got my Notifier BG-10, this hasn't changed. And up here I have my system sensor Spectralert Classic, which is on low volume code 3 and 15 candela, I think. Downstairs. Down here I have my Fire-Lite BG-12 right here. It's mounted a little strange, but still flush mounted. I still think it looks pretty decent. And right here I have my system sensor Spectralert Advance, which is on code 3 low volume, and it's on 95 candela. So yeah, we're actually going to start down here. Now I'm going to put my key in because this is going to be very loud and I forgot my hearing protection. Here we go. So yeah, I'm just going to reset every time because everything's on the same zone so that it actually runs properly. And I'll show you what march time does in a minute. But yeah, the system is on continuous. Everything is running in their own respective self-coding options. Let's pull the BG-8. Finally, let's pull this pull station, and I'm going to go all the way downstairs again. Now let's reset. Let me find my key. Reset the BG-10. There you go. And now I'll show you what happens when you put the system on march time. Here we go. This doesn't go at all. course, the Spectralert Advanced would have been better if it were on continuous, but still doesn't sound great. And this might have been better on continuous, but I can't say. Might have been a little chirp, kind of like that Spectralert Classic here, which just kind of does a little small beep, which is weird because it's supposed to just activate as soon as you apply power, but mine doesn't do that for some reason. That's it for System Test 7. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry again if it was a little rushed, but yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video.